When we gaze at the luminous band that stretches across the night sky, we rarely think of it as something alive. Yet the Milky Way, our home in the cosmos, is far from static. It is a living cosmic organism, a dynamic system that grows, transforms, and interacts with the universe around it. Bunder kommer die intingerbana storm. Rock Gaim. Structure with its own rhythm, metabolism, and evolution. The Milky Way's story began about 13.6 billion years ago, in the aftermath of the Big Bang. As the early universe expanded, immense clouds of hydrogen and helium began to collapse under the force of gravity, forming the first stars and proto-galaxies. Through countless galactic mergers and collisions, these structures combined to create the barred, spiral shape we see today, a luminous disk over 100,000 light-years across, composed of a central bulge, a rotating disk, and majestic spiral arms that sweep through space like cosmic arteries. At its core lies a mysterious yet powerful heart, Sagittarius A, a supermassive black hole with over 4 million solar masses. Around it, stars, gas, and dust orbit at extraordinary speeds, creating a gravitational ballet that defines the galactic structure. Periodically, intense flares and particle jets erupt from its surroundings, energetic echoes of the matter being devoured at its edge. The spiral arms are not rigid structures but density waves, where matter is compressed and star formation flourishes. Within vast molecular clouds, gravity collapses the gas until nuclear fusion ignites, the birth of a star. Each of these stars has a unique lifespan. Smaller ones, like our Sun, burn steadily for billions of years, while massive ones live fast and die spectacularly, exploding as supernovae and scattering heavy elements across space. From that debris, new stars and planets are born. It is a continuous cycle: creation, decay, regeneration, making the Milky Way a self-sustaining ecosystem on a cosmic scale. The Milky Way is part of the Local Group, a gravitational family of over 50 galaxies. Among them are the Magellanic Clouds and the grand Andromeda Galaxy. In roughly 4 billion years, the Milky Way and Andromeda will collide and merge into a new elliptical galaxy, a process of cosmic rebirth, not destruction. The stars will dance into new orbits, forming a more massive and luminous system, marking another chapter in the galaxy's living evolution. About 85% of our galaxy's mass is made of dark matter, a mysterious substance that neither emits nor absorbs light but shapes the gravitational skeleton of the Milky Way. You know, it's this invisible framework that keeps the galaxy cohesive, guiding its rotation and evolution, the unseen anatomy of the cosmos. From a scientific and philosophical perspective, the Milky Way can be seen as a cosmic life form, a self-organizing, adaptive, and evolving entity. It absorbs energy, transforms it, and gives it back to the universe. It interacts, adapts, and perpetuates its structure through time. Every star, every dust grain, every photon is part of this immense flow of energy and transformation. When we look up at the Milky Way on a clear night, we are not witnessing stillness. We are witnessing a living, breathing universe. It is the pulse of creation itself, and we, made of its stardust, are its conscious reflection, the part of the galaxy that has learned to look back and wonder.